in the human form of life, the intelligent human being should focus on the ultimate purpose of life. Just like when you are driving a car, sometimes due to fog, the window shield is very blurred. And if you continue fastly driving the car, you are likely to face an accident. So immediately you will arrange for the water to be poured and some kind of wiper which will wipe the screen so you can get clarity of sight and you can drive the car properly. Similarly, when we come to this world, our eyes become clouded by lust, anger and greed, which are like the fog which covers our vision. When one is lusty, one wants to catch anybody. Like Ravana wanted to catch anybody. When one is angry, one wants to beat up anybody. Or when one is greedy, one wants to loot anybody. So catching and beating and looting are the famous activities of conditioned souls. They are in this world using their energy to do erratic behavior, causing trouble to themselves and trouble to others also. So how can these impure activities be rectified? For that, the window shield has to be wiped and cleansed, and that is called Cheto Darpana Marjana. So the cleansing of the window shield is done by chanting of the holy name. Chanting of the holy name will give us clear vision. There are many evidences for this. Ajamila, at the time of his death, helplessly and inoffensively called out the holy name, Narayana. Next moment, Yama's rope was cut and his life was saved, giving him a second chance to practice Krishna consciousness for another dozen years and go back to Godhead. So that was amazing even to the Yamadutas. So Yamaraj told them, Namocharana Mahatmyam Hare Pashyata Putrakaha Ajamilo Pitenaiva Mrityupashadamuchyata. Oh my dear servants, look at the power of the holy name. It saved the sinful Ajamila from your ropes with which you are planning to bring him to the Yamaloka. The holy name has saved people at the time of death and given them a second chance. Similarly, the holy name wipes out all the sinful reactions. Nama Sankirtanam Vishnor Jagan Mangalamam Hasam Mahatam Api Kauravya Vidyaikantika Nishkritam. And the great sages have positively concluded that the entire world can be purified if all the living entities take to the process of the chanting of the holy names of Hare Krishna. So we can cleanse the mirror of our mind, we can cut off sinful reactions and thereby cut the Yama's rope. And we also can awaken love for Krishna as we become purer and purer, more and more. Because the chanting of the holy name is a process which involves the Jiva and the Supreme Lord, both. It is our call for help and the Lord eagerly coming forward to uplift us. It's a joint process. Because on our own, in this world, it is difficult to get rid of the impurities. But Krishna says, Aham Tvam Sarva Papebhyo Mokshishyami Maashacha, he says. But when he will do that, he says, Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mahamekam Sharanamraja. If you surrender to me, leaving aside all other considerations and surrender only unto me, he says, then I will purify you. So, in this way, we all are coming together in this human form of life to receive some wisdom, some knowledge from the sacred Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, and to chant the holy names, come to holy places like Pandharpur, take a holy dip in the river like Chandrabhaga, take darshana of Shri Shri Radha Pandarinath and Shri Shri Rukmini Vitthal and Vitthal Rukmai. These are the prime activities in the human form of life. Without doing this, our human life is considered as good as a two-legged animal. But we are blessed in our life that you all got good friends in whose association you took to Krishna consciousness and you have come here. So we want to congratulate every one of you for taking out your valuable time and taking part in this wonderful pilgrimage to Shri Pandharpur Dham. And we also wish to thank Prahlad Prabhu, Paramatma Prabhu and all other organizers who are hosting this program in their temple and offering us facility to stay and take prasad and put up our programs. We are very grateful to them. Hare Krishna. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like the zephyr trees or ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava vrinda ki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki,